Alright, so I have just come back from Scott, JLR Performance Vehicles, because I was buying some diffs. Last time we were out on the track, we shattered the diff, pinion gear was obliterated, and it's time for some new diffs. Nothing wrong with the welds, fortunately, that part survived, but we're going to need some more diffs. Problem is, the diff carrier is able to move around because some of the rubber bushings are worn. Bushings? So they're worn. Oh, here comes a dog to say hi. The bushes are worn, the thing can slop around, and so we're going to have to lock that up tight so that we don't get any movement. But the good news is that Scott was able to furnish me 3 additional diffs. Now, this one is a 4.11 ratio, which is the same as what we just took out, but these two are 3.54 ratios, so that will give us the longer gearing that we need. And, oh, sod's law, I just spent 20 quid from import car parts to get replacement studs, because we'd lost a stud. 3 diffs, free stud. So that would solve that problem. Anyway, he also had, for me, a spare centre differential. So this is what we welded up to make the car rear wheel drive. You weld round the outside rim of it, lock it up into one rotating unit. He gave me some spare hub adapters, because I have 30mm adapters on there right now, and that looks like another couple of 15s. So that will give us a bit more clearance, because at the moment when we're on full lock, the wheel is actually rubbing against the chassis leg, and that's enough to slow the wheel down and spin us out, so we need to fix that. More spaces will help. Another free drive shaft, I think this is drive shaft number 9, because we thought we would go through lots of those. That is a hub, which gives us some spare studs for putting inside those hub adapters. And that is according to Scott, a mint prop shaft, because the one that's on the car right now, if you remember from 2 years ago when we first did the rear wheel drive video, this was making a horrible knocking noise, and we said, hey, we'll need to put one on the list, and we never replaced it. So here is, at long last, a spare prop shaft, so we can fit that when it eventually blows up. So we're back on drifting projects again. The garage has been solely focused on woodwork, because I've been doing a lot of development in the back garden of the house, so that we can have a place to drink and be dry if it's wet, or if we end up with another COVID lockdown. Please, no more COVID lockdowns. So anyway, back in the garage here, we've got space to work again, space to think, and down there is a welder, which Dave has very kindly given to me, and a welding helmet, so that I can learn to weld, because that'll be interesting. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to weld these diffs, but I'm willing to give it a crack at welding some stuff. I think it'd be interesting to learn. Anyway, so that's it, quick update. Just some spares that I got. We have diffs, we just need to weld them up now, and then we'll be ready for, I think probably next event is Rogue Concept, which is July, if all goes to plan. Again, no more lockdowns. Let's hope that's the case. Anyway, hope everyone's doing well. Just a quick update on the phone here. No fancy editing. Just wanted to let you know what we're up to. Look after yourselves, make good decisions. We'll see you again soon. Bye.